Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I am back out at the Burlingame Radio Control Park. Now I've been here before in previous videos, but I was using the asphalt track and I tested my slashes, both my slashes on the short course track. I have yet to test out the crawler course. So that's why I brought my Axial Scx10 II with me today, my Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. And I'm excited to test this one out because I have yet to test it since putting on these nice Proline Hyrax 1.9-inch tires. And these are the Predator compound, which is a super sticky compound. And as you guys can see, they're brand new. I have them mounted on these nice 1.9-inch aluminum beadlock wheels. I have quite a few other upgrades to this one as well. I'll actually just pop the body off right now for you guys real quick and show you what we're working with. The body's still in excellent shape. I don't have this one wired up for the lights, otherwise I would turn them on because there are lights in the light buckets, but I don't have the right little plug. But this one's been modified pretty substantially. I don't remember what shocks these are, but these are some knockoff ones that I bought online because the Axial ones that came with this were leaking when I bought this brand new, so those were kind of crap. This is some sort of aftermarket servo. I don't remember what it is. I can't even read it. But this one right here is running a Tekin. I believe this is, what is this ESC called? Tekin FXR or something? Yeah, Tekin FXR ESC. It's got a little capacitor right there. Don't mind my really bad job at soldering. Just got a little Dean's plug soldered on. And this is also running a 55-turn Tekin brushed motor. And also I have steel gears in this one. So looking forward to testing this one out, guys. So let me go ahead and get this hooked up. Oh, and I'm also running a 3000 milliamp. I think this is a 50C discharge rate 3-cell LiPo. So just 3000 milliamp. So let me go ahead and get it hooked up and we're gonna jump right in this video. Yeah, so here's the course right here, guys. As you guys can see, whole bunch of like a boulder kind of rock field right here. Got some obstacles like bridges, kind of a spiral staircase right up over here. And just a bunch of different things, some wire, like chicken wire fence type stuff to crawl over. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it, guys. I'm really interested to know how the Proline Hyrax Predator compound tires are going to perform. So I think we're going to start over here, guys. So let's just get started and jump right into this. Alrighty. Dig and claw, baby, dig and claw. So far these tires are having no problem. Let me get resituated up in front of the RC. Yeah, just check out that steering angle and look at the tires, the flex that these tires have. Now I might need to back it up a little bit here. Bit off camber, but no worries. All right, we're gonna start on this right here, guys. They really don't want to go up that. There, just a little bit of a bump is all it takes. I noticed the thing is on wood or any type of like logs or anything you're crawling across, tires can never get grip. So probably the same thing's true with this, just no grip. Let's see, are we gonna hit the bumper when we come down this? No, we did not. All right, and onto the chicken wire. Sorry if I'm not holding the camera perfectly. I'm trying to concentrate on this. Ooh, getting kind of tippy. Very nice. Now through the tires. Then we're going to go up over here, guys, and we're going to go up over to this spiral staircase, which looks quite technical. So let's follow this around. Can I make it without having to do like a 3-point turn? I'm just rubbing my slider right up against, riding the slider right around that inner portion of that. Let me get to the other side so I can get a better view of this for you guys. All right. Now up the staircase. By the way, guys, if you're liking this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps out my channel as well as this video. You know, and it really motivates me to make more videos in the future if I know people are liking and enjoying these videos. Because if people aren't watching the videos, there's really no point to me making them. You know, because then I'm just making them for me to see, and I want people to watch them. So if you are enjoying it and you want to see more videos like this with the crawlers, go ahead, hit the thumbs up button. That would mean a lot to me. So far, this thing's performing really well. Just crawling right up it. Just look at those tires doing their thing. Ooh, I have to back it. I'm getting too close to the edge right there. All right, now down this, whatever this thing is. Now onto these straps. You can see the drag brake doing its thing. Just like that. We're down it. Now let me get over here and see what we can climb over here. Get her nice and flexed out. Ooh, almost tipped it, but I saved it. Upright it, kind of. Ooh. Nice. Got my front pumpkin stuck. Front axle's getting caught up just a smidge. I'm kind of getting to that point where I'm getting really close to it binding, so you got to be kind of careful. With jagged rocks like this, it's very easy to get axles hung up. That's the thing. Like right there, you can see my pumpkin is caught up. Nice. Nice. All right, let's go over here, guys. Alrighty, let's go up this teeter-totter. Yeah, I don't know. So far, they're kind of struggling for grip, but they are brand new, and they've gotten kind of dusty at this point. The tires I'm talking about, guys. I thought they'd perform a little better than this, not gonna lie. I feel like for grip, they've been struggling a little bit, because these are supposed to be the stickiest compound tire that there is, the Predator compound, and these are the Proline Rock Hyrax tires. So, rock, that's what these are made for. Climbing up over this little wooden bridge. Apologize if there is any wind noise. There's a slight breeze today. Right, let's follow it through the tunnel. Gonna bring it up over this. Nearly got high centered there. Bring it down here. I really do wish I kind of had like the dig feature on this, because actually, now that I think about it, I do think, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure the Axial Scx10 III ready to run comes with the dig feature. Let me know in the comments if you have one or if you know if that's the case. Yep, you can see just get hung up pretty easily, and then no matter how much grip you get, you're not going to get out of that. There, we're able to slide a little bit, but you can see we're still caught right here. So, like I said, tire placement is everything, guys. A little bit off camber, but we are good. Gotta straddle that just right. Cross this. Into that little tube, and then let's come out through here, and then on this little, ooh, let's see, am I wide enough for this? I guess, yeah, I am. Barely, though. I feel like I'm barely wide enough for this obstacle. And the rear tires almost want to come off, too. Very nice. I go fast over some of that stuff. Come on. It wants to go. Yes, it made it. I might be able to make it this way. No, that's going to be pretty difficult. There I can make it onto that, but then this is where a dig feature would be nice, because this is going to be like a 10-point turn. No, it'd be like a 5-point turn to get this, so I can actually come down this part. There we go. I guess we gotta go all the way to there. There, now I can do it. And the rear pumpkin, or the rear, one of the rear axle or something's caught up. There we go. Saved it that time. Thought I was gonna roll. Nearly did. I feel like I need a little bit more articulation. Maybe I need a lighter shock fluid or just different shocks. Let me know, guys, in the comments what shocks work really well for you guys. What gives you the best articulation? All right, bring it across here, easy enough. Now down this V-notch that looks like it's made out of closet doors. Nice. And they got some nice carpeting set up here. Gotta use what you gotta use. It works. Makes for nice obstacles. A little bit more carpet. Come up this. Get turned around, and we're gonna come up this real quick, guys. All right, guys, I think this is the last obstacle right here, this section right here. So let's go ahead, bring it up the planks. Easy enough. Now look how steep this is, guys. This is gonna be difficult. You might not be able to tell the angle on this. Not exaggerating, that's like 50 degrees or more. Probably 55 or 60. Ooh. This must be one where you kind of just have to ride it down, but see, then the drag brake's kind of getting in my way because the drag brake wants to hold, so you got to just kind of, let's see if we can get this right. There, that time got it. Gotta be careful on this. I'm just gonna resituate it by hand. Hard to get turned around. This is where, like I said, a dig feature would be very, very nice. Might not have enough clearance to get up over this. There, we got it. This is like four-wheel steer type territory here. I mean, this stuff's tight. Come on. We're high centered a little bit. Well, let's try that again. Nice. I think this right here, guys, is the last obstacle. So let's go ahead and go up it. It's kind of like this, let me back up a little bit so you guys can see the obstacle. It's kind of this swinging bridge type thing. And it goes to a second piece. This thing's conquering this pretty easily. There we go. This is a little bit tricky. Right, and down this. Now we have a little bit of an articulation test right here. See, and we're not getting a ton of articulation. Let me show you from the front. I feel like I should have more articulation than this. It's not articulating as much as I would like. But yeah, guys, I think that basically was the entire course. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Later.